Welcome to the Englishstorywell channel, your ultimate destination for captivating stories that enhance your English learning journey. Here, we believe that stories are not just a form of entertainment, but a powerful tool to improve your language skills. Let's go to started.
Learning English is like going on a long, exciting journey. You begin with small steps, like learning basic words and phrases. But as you continue, you realize there is much more to explore. One of the most important parts of learning English is improving your listening skills. Today, I will share a story about how one person worked hard to become better at listening in English. This story will inspire you to keep learning and give you practical tips to improve your listening skills. Meet Emma. Emma was a bright and curious young woman who lived in a small town. She loved learning new things and dreamed of traveling the world. But there was one problem. She struggled with English. Speaking and reading were manageable, but listening was always difficult for her. When Emma listened to people speaking English, it felt like they were talking too fast. She couldn't understand everything, and it made her feel frustrated. Emma knew that improving her listening skills was important, especially if she wanted to visit other countries. One day, Emma decided to take action. "I will not give up," she said to herself. "I will find a way to improve my listening skills step by step." Step 1. Listening to simple conversations. Emma started her journey with simple materials. She searched online for videos and audio clips made for English learners. These recordings were slow and clear, with everyday conversations like ordering food in a restaurant, asking for directions, talking about hobbies. At first, Emma listened to these conversations with subtitles. She would listen carefully, pause the recording, and repeat the sentences. This helped her understand the words and phrases. She learned to focus on key words in a sentence. For example, if someone said, "Excuse me, where's the nearest train station?" she knew that nearest and train station were the important words. Step 2. Listening every day. Emma made listening to English a part of her daily routine. She listened to English podcasts during breakfast, watched English videos during lunch, and played English songs before bed. She realized that consistency was the key. Even if she didn't understand everything, her brain was slowly getting used to the sounds of English. Over time, she could recognize common phrases like, "How are you? What do you think about this? Can you help me?" Step 3. Watching movies and TV shows. After a few weeks, Emma felt more confident. She decided to challenge herself by watching English movies and TV shows. At first, she chose shows with subtitles in her native language. She loved comedies and romantic dramas, where the conversations were simple and fun. Emma noticed that watching characters interact helped her understand how English is used in real-life situations. Later, she switched to English subtitles. This was harder, but it pushed her to focus more on the language. Emma also learned a lot of new words and idioms like break the ice, start a conversation, piece of cake, something easy. Out of the blue, suddenly. Step 4. Joining a conversation club. Emma knew she needed to practice listening to real people, not just recordings. She joined an online English conversation club where learners and native speakers talked about different topics. At first, Emma was nervous. She couldn't understand everything people said, and sometimes she felt shy. But the group was friendly and encouraging. They told her it was okay to ask for clarification. Emma learned phrases like, "Can you repeat that, please? What does that mean? I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?" As weeks went by, Emma became more confident. Listening to different accents and speaking styles helped her improve even more. Step 5. Shadowing technique. One of Emma's favorite activities was shadowing. This is when you listen to someone speaking and try to repeat their words at the same time. Emma found short English videos and podcasts to practice with. She would play a sentence, pause, and repeat it out loud. Then she tried to match the speaker's speed and pronunciation. This technique helped Emma improve her listening and speaking skills at the same time. It was like having a personal English teacher. Step 6. Facing challenges. Emma's journey was not always easy. There were days when she felt stuck. Sometimes, she couldn't understand a single word in a video or conversation. But Emma reminded herself that learning takes time. She celebrated small victories, like understanding a new word or recognizing a phrase she had learned before. She also changed her mindset. Instead of feeling frustrated, she thought, "What can I learn from this challenge?" Step 7. Listening to different English accents. Emma realized that English is spoken in many different ways around the world. She started listening to people with various accents like British, American, Australian, and Indian English. At first, this was difficult. Each accent had its own rhythm and pronunciation. But Emma stayed patient. She listened to news channels, YouTube videos, and podcasts from different countries. She discovered that understanding accents was like solving a puzzle. The more she practiced, the easier it became. Step 8. Testing her skills. After months of practice, Emma decided to test her listening skills. She watched a movie without subtitles and was surprised by how much she understood. She could follow the story and even laugh at the jokes. Emma also joined a live webinar in English. She listened to the speaker and wrote notes in English. It was a proud moment for her when she realized she could understand most of what was being said. Step 9. Sharing her journey. Emma wanted to inspire others to improve their listening skills. She started a blog where she shared tips, resources, and her personal experiences. She wrote about how listening to English had changed her life. It made her more confident, helped her make new friends, and brought her closer to her dream of traveling the world. A bright future. 1 year after starting her journey, Emma felt like a new person. She was no longer afraid of listening to English. She could watch movies, join conversations, and even help others learn. Her hard work and dedication paid off. Emma's story shows that anyone can improve their English listening skills with the right mindset and consistent practice. Conclusion. Emma's journey is a reminder that learning English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about building confidence, embracing challenges, and enjoying the process. If you want to improve your listening skills, start small and stay consistent. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Just like Emma, you can achieve amazing things if you never give up. Keep practicing, and your English listening skills will grow stronger every day. Welcome to our English learning channel. In this video, we will help you improve your English listening skills and build your confidence in understanding spoken English. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, this lesson is designed to guide you step by step toward becoming a better listener. What you'll learn in this video: practical listening techniques that you can use every day, how to focus on key words and phrases during conversations, tips to understand different accents and speaking styles in English, how to improve your comprehension speed over time, strategies to overcome common challenges such as fast speech or unfamiliar vocabulary, why listening skills matter. Listening is one of the most important skills in language learning. It helps you understand native speakers in real-life situations, enjoy movies, TV shows, and songs in English, build your confidence to join conversations with friends, coworkers, or classmates, improve your overall fluency in English. What makes this video unique? This is not just a lecture, it's a journey. You'll hear real-life stories and examples that make learning English fun and engaging. Through relatable scenarios and step-by-step guidance, you'll discover how to make progress in your listening skills, one day at a time. How to use this video. Watch actively. Take notes on the tips and techniques shared. Listen repeatedly. Practice by listening to the examples several times until you feel comfortable. Speak along. Repeat key sentences to improve both listening and speaking skills. Practice daily. Dedicate a few minutes every day to listening practice to build consistency. Who is this video for? Students preparing for English exams like TOEFL, IELTS, or other language tests. Professionals who need to communicate effectively in English at work. Travelers who want to feel confident speaking English abroad. Anyone looking to improve their understanding of spoken English. Key takeaways. By the end of this video, you will have a clearer understanding of how to listen effectively, learn to catch words and phrases, even in fast conversations, feel more confident when watching English videos, movies, or listening to podcasts. Direct Hit make English learning part of your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more lessons like this one. Hit the like button and share this video with friends who are also learning English. Remember, improving your listening skills is a journey, not a race. With consistent practice and the right mindset, you'll get better every day. Let's start this journey together. Watch the video now. Glowing star.
Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, our carefully curated stories cater to all levels, making learning English enjoyable and effective. Join our community of language enthusiasts and let the magic of storytelling transform your learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Dive into Englishstorywell, where every story is a step towards mastering English.